Hi, this is Kelly, and this is part one of formatting your paper in MLA 8 style. All right, so you want to open up a Word document, and you want to make sure that it is standardized to MLA 8. So the first thing you need to do is you're going to make sure that the font is Times New Roman. So I click this little arrow here, and I drag it down Times New Roman. And the size also needs to be 12 point. So now I know everything in my paper is going to be in 12.9 Times New Roman. The next thing I need to do is to make sure it is double spaced throughout. So I go up to this paragraph, line and paragraph spacing button, and I click the arrow and I drag it down to 2.0. That means that everything in my paper is going to be double spaced. The next thing I need to do is to give my paper a page number so that it can have page numbers throughout. So what I'm going to do is I am going to go to Insert, okay, and then all the way over here it says Page Number, Add Page Number, okay, and it's going to give you choices. So I want mine at the top of the page, that's MLA 8, and I want it to be all the way to the right, so I click that. All right, good. So that means that every page will have a number, and it will automatically put a number on. Now, for MLA 8, you need to put your last name, space, and then it automatically gives you the page number. Now, you'll notice, I'm going to go back to home, that this is not in Times New Roman. So I want to highlight this, and I want to put it in Times New Roman and 12. Good. I'm set. All right, so now you want to make sure that you have 1-inch margins at the top. Usually these Word documents are already set up that way, and 1-inch margins on the side. It looks good, so now I can start typing. The first thing I want to do is to write my name. Let's say I'm student Sally Smith, and I need to identify my professor. So Professor Kelly Austin, or just Professor Austin. I need to identify the name of the class, EMLS 285, reading, writing. And then I'm going to put the date. And you put the day first, 25, for example, then the month, January, and then the year, 2021. All right, great. Now we're going to return again, and it's all double spaced. Now we want to add the title of our paper. So I want that to be in the middle and centered, so I come up to the top and I click the center align, and I'm going to write my title here, Acculturation for Immigrants, say immigrants, right? But I don't want to write the rest of my paper in the center, so I'm going to go back up here to the align and go to left, align left. And then I am going to tab, because you always indent 5 spaces on the first sentence of every paragraph. So I'm going to write, and I'm not writing anything. It's all nonsensical, blah, 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 blah. All right. And then when I go to my next paragraph, I'm going to hit the tab again and indent. And then I'm going to write. Okay. So this is part 1 of how to set up this front page. I'm going to end this now to show you the next part.